understanding the concept of collision sphere. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a fascinating phrase, collision sphere. This term might sound complex at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just curious about physics, you'll find this concept intriguing. So, let's dive in. First, let's understand the words individually. A sphere is a perfectly round, three-dimensional shape, like a basketball. A collision is when two things crash into each other. Now, imagine a sphere around an object. This imaginary sphere represents the area around the object where a collision could happen. It's like a protective bubble that helps us predict and manage collisions in virtual spaces, like video games or simulations. In video games, a collision sphere is crucial. It's an invisible sphere that wraps around characters or objects. Why? It simplifies the process of detecting collisions. Instead of checking for complex shapes colliding, the game checks if these simple spheres overlap. This makes the game run smoother and ensures that interactions, like bumping into walls or objects, feel real. It's all about making the virtual world more immersive and efficient. Beyond gaming, collision spheres are vital in simulations and physics. Engineers and scientists use them to study how objects interact. For example, in robotics, collision spheres help in avoiding obstacles. They allow robots to navigate safely by understanding the space around them. It's a blend of safety and precision, ensuring that the virtual understanding aligns with the real world. So, there you have it. The term, collision sphere, might seem technical, but it's all about that imaginary bubble around objects, making it easier to understand and manage interactions, whether in games, simulations, or real-life applications. I hope this video has illuminated this concept for you. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.